Hello everyone, it's me Ben, and I want to take you on how we can make reports. How can we generate reports in QuickBooks? People use QuickBooks, but are you able to determine your projection? Are you able to determine your balance sheet? Are you able to predict the progress of your business? So, when you open your QuickBooks, go to Reports. It's just here. Go to Reports. Here you can customize any report. Do you need the profit and loss? If you click standard, it will be shorter. It's better you click details. So under details, it will give you a detailed report. Do you know the expenses made by each vendor? You just click there. Then you are able to select the period. You can select for 2 years. It will come. You can see the transaction details. Balance sheets. You can find it from here. So, under report, that's where you find any type of report. Do you need to know which sale is made? You come to sales by item details. Then it will detail the date, which sale, and how much is made on the sale for a particular period of time. If you are to make a budget, this one can give you a budget overview. It can create it for you by following those procedures. So basically that's where I find reports. Purchases, any type of report, you find it from here. You just give it time, and then you will be able to determine report categories you need. Thank you very much for your time.